First, locate the circuit breaker or fuse that controls the outlet you plan to replace, and shut the power off to the circuit. Next, before you remove the old outlet, get a non-contact voltage tester, a multimeter, radio or lamp, and plug it into your old GFI to make sure that the power is completely off. After that, remove the screws from the GFI and go ahead and pull it out from the box. Now, remove the wires from the old GFI. You can cut the wires close to the outlet to disconnect them, or you may unscrew them. Next, strip the insulation from the wires to expose the amount of wires shown on the stripping gauge located on the new GFI. On the back of it, it will show you a small stripping gauge. That's how much copper should be out of the insulation. Next, go ahead and connect the hot, ground, and neutral to your GFI. Make sure you connect them on the line side. The hot wire is going to go to the brass colored screw. The white wire is your neutral. It is going to go to the silver screw. And of course, the green wire is your ground, and it is going to go to the green screw. I'm now going to connect my wires to my GFI. I like to take a little bit of tape, electrical tape that is, and put around the sides of my outlet. That way it doesn't trip or short out. After you're done with that, you can go ahead and shove your, make sure it's the right way up, and shove your wires back in your box, and then screw your GFI into your box. Next, go to the panel and turn the power back on that feeds the GFI. After you do that, you will need to hit the reset button in order for the GFI to work. If you have a tester, it is good to plug it in just to make sure that it is wired correctly. Congratulations, you have now changed your GFI.